Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndeto riu ni ciakorwo ikiuma kanua-ini ka mubunge Babu Owino ciigie ngwataniro yake na mubunge Ndindi Nyoro. Kurakoretwo na miario guku nenda-ini, andu magi-speculate muno about next move ya Ndindi Nyoro, kana agukorwo akijoin Rigathi wa Gachagua, kana kwirugamia ta mundu kiumbe tukirora siasa cia 2027. At one point Gachagua ni akoretwo akiaria muingi-ini na akira Nyoro atige gukira muno na akorwo agitangatha murugamo wake wa Gi-Siasa. No undu ica ikuhi Nyoro akoretwo agika ni kumenyithia andu ati utongoria uyu wa President Ruto we ndaretikirania naguo, na riu mubunge uyu wa Embakasi Babu Owino arauga kuri maundu marabanga na mubunge Ndindi Nyoro, maundu maria gukorwo ngigwikirira video ukorwo ugithikiriria. Babu arauga he is overqualified mena Ndindi Nyoro gutuika atongoria ta aguku Nairobi toria andu marakiraga Babu Owino ethe giti kia governor Nairobi. But Babu Owino akorwo akiuga it is time for young people ukorwo makihold positions in politics, na agikorwo akimention kaundu gakegie o gukorwo umwe wao akirugama ta mutongoria wa bururi kana ta president, na uyu ungi akinyitirira bururi ta deputy president. Na hau niho ndeto ciegie Babu na Ndindi Nyoro gukorwo at this point mathondekete giama gia Gi-Siasa ciakorwo ikiumbuka, andu magikiuga kiama giki kiretwo the Rising Majority Party.
Now, when we come to issue of Ndindi Nyoro, Jeff, it is always better to ask for forgiveness than ask for permission. The time is now, and the time for the youthful leadership is now. I'm still talking with my brother Ndindi. I have an ambition, and I told you that there could be a presidential ambition, there could be a gubernatorial ambition, depending on how we will decide with my brother Ndindi. But I said, Ndindi is equally a performer. Today, if we decide we go for presidency, asubuhi mapema.